Welcome to 724 Burmaster Drive. This large updated 4-bedroom, 4-bath home with loads of living space, fenced backyard, covered front porch, laminate hardwood flooring throughout inside, and detached garage and workshop. It's located in Northeast Columbia. It's off of 2 Notch Road near Clemson Road, convenient to I-20 and I-77, Fort Jackson, and Northeast Columbia amenities as well. So we're in the front yard now. You have a private front yard. You can see there's some shrubs sort of planted along the road there, and then you can see along the driveway as well. So nice sort of private front yard. You can see the covered front porch, which runs along the length of the front of the house there as well. We'll pop out to this side just so you can see the driveway and everything else. Also, there's a side door there. So you have a driveway that leads you back to the detached garage. It's a one-car garage, at least has a one-car overhead door, and also has additional space inside. It's basically double wide, but it just has the one garage door, but workshop space and some built-in stuff in there as well. Won't show you inside. It does have some additional covered parking there as well, and then you saw the driveway heading back towards the front there. So you can see there's a side door there, but we'll go ahead and go back toward the front and take a look inside. Bear with me, this video will probably be pretty long because this is a very interesting house. Floor plan wise, not very standard at all. So you can see covered front porch here, beautiful front porch. You have the stained wood and runs along the length of the front of the house for the most part. You can see the bay windows there to flank the front door as well. We'll step inside. So once you're inside, you notice the beautiful laminate hardwood flooring, sort of in a natural or cherry wood color as you come inside. And this same color is throughout most of the house. Some areas have some slightly different color flooring, but you do have, you can see, wood paneling in the room as you enter here. So basically off the entry, you kind of have a sort of a living space or a formal living area here with the bay window. There's a closet there for some storage, no door on that though. And then you can see there's a built-in fireplace here as well. Looks like gas log. And then you have a sort of a formal dining room on this side. Ceiling fans throughout most of the house as well, including in here. So we'll go ahead and just kind of go in the most logical order we can. But off to the left side of the house here, you have what is sort of one living area, and then main living area sort of in the center here. So you have a kitchen. You have a huge island there, glass tile backsplash. You have stainless steel appliances. There's an above the range microwave, smooth top electric range, and a refrigerator. You also do have a pantry here as well. So you can see some shelving and even sort of a lazy Susan there that spins around so you can store food items on as well, or whatever else you like. You also have another pantry on this side, sort of a walk-in, more storage space, has some built-in cabinets there and there. And then this is all open to a large living area here that has recessed lighting. And then you have more living space off this side of the house as well. So we'll start over here and kind of go through and then work our way across to the other side. So off of the left side here of the house, you have one of the first of the 4 bathrooms. So you can see this one has, and all 4 of them are full baths. You have updated vanities in most of the baths as well. Medicine cabinet there and some additional shelving. And then you have the shower behind the door there. So that one's just the shower. And this is just a utility closet there, I believe. And then right next door here, you go down a couple of steps and you have large additional living space here. So a big open room, could be a family room. You have a ceiling fan in here, some shelving against the wall there, and there's a door that closes that off. So it could be used for a bedroom if you wanted to as well, but does not have a closet in it. And then upstairs here, above that room, you have up these steps. So this is one of the few areas in the house that doesn't have either tile or laminate hardwood. So you can see the slightly different style of flooring in here. But you have what would look like normally a finished room above a garage with the sort of the way the ceilings are. But you have a ceiling fan in here, So this is some more additional living space. Some shelving along that back wall. No closet in there either, but across the hall you do have some shelving and hanging space here, and then there's sort of large room that has some additional storage, kind of has those saloon style doors that swing open and separate that. Then downstairs as well, another bedroom. So this could be used as a master. It does have a small walk-in closet here. And you have an attached bathroom as well, also a full bath. You see the updated vanity there, medicine cabinet, little sort of built into the wall. And then you have your shower and tub in this room. And then on the other side, it has another small room that basically isn't a bedroom because it does not have a closet and you have to access it through that room, but just some additional space. So you could have a sitting room over here, whatever you like. Even could be a small sort of suite for someone that kind of wants privacy, because it does have its own door that goes out to the backyard. It has some wood steps off the back of that. All right, so back through. So this could be the master, but it's definitely not definitive. There really is no true bona fide master in the house if you ask my opinion. The house basically started off a while ago, in my opinion, as a much smaller home, and then additions were sort of made over time. So now on the opposite side of the house, so we just went off of that living area, and then you have some built-in cabinets in here. This is a laundry room. You also do have a door out to sort of a covered patio, and you can see that more in the photos. But washer and dryer connections, full size here, built-ins above, and this really cool feature in my opinion, you can see one of the built-in ironing boards even has a plug there. I can't guarantee that that works, but if it does, that's pretty neat. But the ironing board definitely is still usable. So you can see here another bedroom off the laundry area, has a walk-in closet. This one faces the backyard, and then you can see the ceiling fan there, but a pretty nice sized room. And then, so you can see, looking back towards the front entrance, some built-in shelves here along the wall. And that's just a utility closet to the left of this bedroom where the water heater is. But here is another bedroom in the home. This is technically counted as one of the 4 true bedrooms because it does have, even though it's a pretty small one, a closet. And then adjacent to it is, I believe we're up to 3 at this point, the 3rd full bathroom. Again, the matching updated vanity, tile flooring in here as there are in pretty much all the bathrooms, and then just a shower and tub there behind the frosted glass doors, window there as well. And that's front facing. And then last but not least, I do believe, and I apologize if I missed anything, check our photos in the description in case I did. But upstairs on the opposite side of the house from that bonus room that's upstairs, we have, in my opinion, what would be considered the master suite, except for one small thing, which I'll show you right now, and that is, it's basically off of the stairwell area here. So you can see, kind of have a vaulted ceiling that comes up, and it's open to that. But it is the largest bedroom in the house, does have an attached bathroom as well. So technically, you maybe can say it's not a bedroom because it's not completely closed off, and it does have a closet. Has these dormer windows with sort of little bench seats there, 3 of those, and then you can see a very large room kind of separated into 2 areas. So you could have more of your furniture and stuff on this side, and then have that be more open, however you wanted to do that. But tile flooring here in the attached bath. Looks like the only vanity that's not been updated. And then you have the shower here. So just a sort of standard size walk-in shower stall. So I believe 2 of the bathrooms have full bathtubs and showers, and 2 just have the closets, the walk-in showers. And then that was the master walk-in closet there as well. So another view of that bathroom, you can see built-in shelves against the wall there as well. So that completes our tour of this home, I do believe. That's just attic space on that small door to the left there. Again, the address here is 724 Burmaster Drive. It is in Northeast Columbia. You can find out more information on this home by visiting our website at turnerproperties.com, or you can give us a call at 803-407-8522.